I did kind of show this one once before, something similar, but this I thought I've got a bit more detail on it and had a bit more better angle on it. When I recorded it previously, it was a little harder to tell what was going on, and this I
Welcome
think
back to
shows
Kung
it a
Fu
little
Maintenance,
better.
where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Got a crazy one. Water will not shut off. Doing a renovation, I'm going to be having these valves changed. And what I can do is pinch this closed, just like folding a garden hose, and then take the line off here. Since this cold side is closed, I can put the line on that side in a hurry. Of course, I'm doing this at the last. Well, this is what it is. Got a pretty busy, crazy schedule, and just want to get this over and done with. So here we go. So I got the line pinched here in my hand, just like you would a garden hose, and show you how much water is in there. Oh yeah, full blast. But all I need to do, as long as the gasket is reasonable, in there. Take this here. Sucker would not shut off, so yeah. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. Now, as long as we leave that cold side closed, we won't get crossover. We won't get hot water going into the cold side, because that would be horrible. So we just release it, and we're all set here. This one I had taken off, and it just started spraying like crazy out here. And it seemed like it was turned off all the way, but it didn't know behave. So that's the way it is sometimes. But there's more than one way to get it done. Now I can take the rest of the washing machine out and I don't have to worry about it. And again, somebody else is going to be taking the rest of it out. There it is. Survived the day. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.